Scene script. Greetings everyone. Have you ever contemplated about earning money online? In this digital age, the internet isn't just a source of information or entertainment, it's a platform where anyone, regardless of age or profession, can monetize their skills and earn a living. Imagine sitting in the comfort of your home, making money with just a few clicks. Intriguing, isn't it? If your answer is yes, then stick around as we explore different ways to earn money online. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is through freelancing. But what is freelancing? Think of it as being your own boss, where you offer your skills or services to clients all over the world, right from the comfort of your home. You can start freelancing by creating a profile on various platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. These platforms are like virtual marketplaces where you can showcase your skills, whether they be in graphic design, writing, programming, or any other field. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to work according to your own schedule. No more 9-to-5 grind, just you and your skills earning a good amount of money, and all on your terms. And the best part? There are no entry barriers. As long as you have a skill that you believe others would pay for, you can start your freelancing journey. So, if you have a skill that you believe others would pay for, freelancing could be your ticket to earning money online. Another way to earn money online is through blogging and content creation. Blogging is essentially writing and publishing articles on the internet. You can use platforms like WordPress or Blogger to start your own blog. Content creation, on the other hand, is a broader term. It involves creating engaging content, which can be in the form of videos, podcasts, or even social media posts. For this, you can use platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and many others. The key to making money through blogging and content creation is consistency and quality. You need to regularly create and share high-quality content that resonates with your audience. It might take some time to build your audience, but with patience and dedication, it's definitely achievable. Remember, the internet is a vast space and there's always room for unique and engaging content. So if you enjoy writing or creating content, this could be a great way for you to earn money online. Online teaching is another effective way to earn money online. Essentially, it's the process of educating others via the internet. You can teach anything from languages to coding or even baking, all from the comfort of your own home. It's a flexible option that enables you to work on your own schedule. To get started, all you need is a computer, a stable internet connection, and expertise in a particular subject. There are various platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and many more where you can create and sell your courses. The beauty of online teaching is that it's not just a source of income, it's also a platform to share your knowledge with the world. The demand for online learning is skyrocketing as people from all walks of life are seeking to expand their skills from the comfort of their homes. So, if you have expertise in a particular subject, online teaching could be an excellent way for you to earn money online. Let's quickly recap the different ways to earn money online. We started with online freelancing, an avenue brimming with opportunities. From graphic design to writing and programming, the world is your oyster if you have the right skills. Just remember to remain patient and persistent, as it can take a while to establish yourself in the industry. Next, we focused on blogging and content creation. This method requires a bit of creativity and a flair for storytelling. You can monetize your blog or content through advertisements, affiliate marketing, or even by selling your own products or services. The key is to deliver valuable content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. Then we delved into the world of online teaching. With the rise of online learning, educators and experts in various fields can share their knowledge and skills with students from all over the world. You can teach languages, science, art, or any subject you're passionate about. The possibilities are endless. In conclusion, earning money online in Pakistan or anywhere else in the world isn't a pipe dream. It's a feasible goal for anyone willing to invest their time and effort. Just remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to this. You have to find what works best for you, invest time in learning it, and stick with it. Remember, the key to earning money online is to find what works best for you and stick with it. Good luck on your online earning journey.